Yo, what's up everybody? My name is Akshay Dilip Kumar aka ADK and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new to my channel, do consider subscribing as I'll be posting a lot of beatbox related content and beatbox tutorials on this channel. Today I'm gonna teach you guys the invert K snare.
ADK Beatbox.
The invert K snare is one of the most important sound of beatboxing, and as the name suggests, it's an invert sound which sounds like a K. And this is one of those sounds which can help you differentiate between a normal beatboxer and a good beatboxer by the way they do the sound. Or if you are someone who wants to learn a very fast pattern or a technical pattern, this sound is a very crucial sound to learn as a beatboxer. And not only that, this sound forms the base to many other sounds such as the rim shot, the TK case, and the pay case. So to do this sound, the tongue position is very similar to that of an outward K snare like which I assume you know, or I highly suggest you learn before proceeding with this sound. If not, you can just imagine where your tongue would be when you tell the letter L behind your teeth and touching the upper palate like And after you get the tongue position down, try to build a suction between the back of your tongue and the back of the roof of your mouth, and try to release it by sucking air inwards by using your lungs and dropping your tongue and jaw together like. For some of you guys it may be sounding more like but that's alright, cause you people just need to experiment more with the creation and release of pressure. And if you guys don't get this sound at the first try, don't get discouraged, cause this sound can be a bit tricky in the beginning, but keep practicing and try to build your muscle memory. And after getting the sound, you can make the sound more sharp by using very little air while doing the sound and cutting it off by closing your lips like. And to practice your sound, just keep doing it repetitively like. Or along with the boots and cats pattern in the previous tutorials like. And a fun groovy practice pattern would be something like. And that's pretty much it for this tutorial, guys. I hope you people learned the sounds or helped you to get started with the sounds. And if you people learn something new, do drop a like and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Or if you people have any doubts related to the sound, drop them in the comment section below or DM me on Instagram and share this video with your friends who might also want to learn beatboxing. So until the next video, keep learning and beatboxing. Ash.